So, dear friends, this is a question from the topic of straight lines. And in a straight line, actually, this question is to find the locus when certain conditions are given. So, let us first of all read the question. The question states that variable a variable straight line run through intersection of these two lines. Okay, through the intersection of these two lines meets the coordinate axis in A and B, so that locus of midpoint of AB is the curve. Okay, so basically what it is saying that these two lines intersect, and through the intersection there a variable straight line passes through the intersection of these two lines, and that variable straight line meets the coordinate axis in A and B, then we need to show that the locus of midpoint of AB is the curve this. Okay, so we will start with finding the intersection point, and after that we will proceed. So how we are going to proceed? Equation of a line passing through the intersection point of the given lines, passing through intersection point, or simply intersection of given lines can be written as so we can write it like this: x by A plus y by B minus 1 and plus lambda times of x by B plus y by A minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this actually represents the family of straight lines that passes through the intersection of these two lines. Okay, family of straight lines that passes through the intersection of these two lines. Now the point where this line meets the x-axis, okay, we need to find that also. The point where this line meets x-axis and y-axis. Why we need to find these points? Because it is given that these points are nothing but A and B. So how we can find the point where it meets the x-axis? Okay, so for that, if I put the value of y to be 0, so what I will get? X by A minus 1 plus lambda times of x by B minus 1, and that is equal to 0. So from here I can write x 1 upon A plus lambda upon B, and that is equal to lambda plus 1. So what I can write from here? I can write x is equal to lambda plus 1 upon 1 by A 1 by A plus lambda by B. Okay, so this is the value of x coordinate. Now coming on the next page, the point can be written as A. Let us say the point A, yeah, it was given. So the A point can be written as 1 plus lambda divided by 1 upon A plus lambda upon B comma 0. Okay, so this is the point where the line meets the x-axis. On similar lines, we can write the point B as 0 comma 1 plus lambda upon a plus 1 upon b. So this is the point where it meets the y-axis. Now we are given that we need to find the what we need to find. We need to find the locus of midpoint of AB. Okay, the locus of midpoint of AB. So let us say P is the midpoint of AB, and its coordinate is h comma q. So I can write from here 2h is equal to 1 plus lambda upon 1 upon a plus lambda upon b, and 2k is equal to 1 plus lambda upon a plus 1 upon b. Now from here I can write lambda times 2h by b minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2h by a. Okay, this is equation number 1. And lambda times of 2k by a minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2k by b. Okay, so I need to find a relationship between h and k. So if I divide equation 1 by 2, then I will get rid of lambda. So let us see how we are going to do. We need to eliminate lambda. So for that I will divide equation 1 by equation number 2. So if I will divide it, then I will get 2h by b minus 1 upon 2k by a minus 1, and that is equal to 1 minus 2h upon a and 1 minus 2k upon b. So upon cross multiplication I will get 2h upon b minus 4hk upon b square minus 1 and plus 2k upon b, and this side I will get 2k upon a minus 4hk upon a square minus 1 plus 2h upon a. Okay, so minus 1 will get cancelled, and 2h by b plus 2k by b will be on this side. Here it will be 2k by a and plus h by a. Okay, and minus 4hk by a square, and this term will also come to this side, then it will be plus 4hk by b square. Okay, so from here I can write that 2h plus k upon b is equal to twice of 2 upon a into h plus k and plus 4hk into 1 upon b square minus 1 upon a square. Okay, now if I simplify further by bringing this whole term on the left hand side, and then upon simplification what I will get twice of hk a plus b is equal to ab times of h plus k. So replacing h and k with x and y, we will get 2xy a plus b is equal to ab times of x plus y. So this was the thing that we need to prove. So I hope that you would have liked this video. Please comment if you do have any problem while understanding the solution. Thank you.